What is going on, YouTube? I am here with my boy Manny. What's going on, dude? Y'all remember him from when we did his bike reveal?
Flashback.
Yeah, boy. She sounds nice.
End of flashback.
And today, Manny, who's been riding since he was like, 3 months in his mother's womb, Manny is gonna teach me how to do a proper burnout. Alright, so let's go through the process as I understand it, right? I want to stand up on the bike, not on the bike, but stand up off the bike. We're gonna do this up against the wall first time ever. Stand up, hold clutch, hold front brake, give it throttle, and slowly release brake till that tire.
Slowly release clutch.
Clutch, that's what I meant. No brake, never release the brake. Alright, do you want to do a sample one?
Yeah.
So people can see this? Alright, watch his hands. See, he's standing up. He's up against the wall. Now watch his hands. Alright, very cool. Very cool. Now this is especially recommended if you're changing out your back tire, of course. This is not good for the back tire, so don't do it all the time. Alright, here I go, my first time. Alright, here I go. Alright, up against the wall. Stand up off the bike. Hold brake. Wait, no, hold brake. I could feel it spinning out.
The bike is gonna do this to you, so
right.
You wanna hold it with your legs and keep it centered.
Okay, let me center up again. Thing is, I could almost feel the brake slipping out of my hand.
When you feel that, squeeze them harder and just give it a little bit of more throttle.
I'm trying.
When you feel it spin,
yeah.
give it throttle.
That's the thing, my hand's not fucking long enough. Like, I'm like right here holding it with my fucking thing to give it. So, hang on, how are you doing? You hold your whole hand and then roll?
I grab it like this. Watch me, man. I grab it like this.
Uh-huh.
And just go like this. So,
okay, so hang on.
I'm pretty much like in the air, just press
so like
the brake in.
Here, and just go like that. Alright, let's give that a shot. Fuck. It's yeah, but it just keeps drifting on me.
When it does that, let it hit your leg, and while it's still spinning, you can just swing it around.
Okay, hang on, let me center up here. Yes! Alright!
So how'd that feel?
Pretty fucking good. I saw what my mistake was, so I gotta do it with my boots on, because with these...
And without your gloves.
Yeah, without my gloves. But with these shoes, I was like tiptoeing on the one side. Once I planted that whole foot,
You were able to.
Dude, yeah.
But you see what I mean, right? It's all a matter of just playing with your brake and clutch.
Yeah, it really is. And you really got to make sure you don't let go of that brake. And I'm going to do it without gloves because my hand can probably slide easier. And see, at the first I was going it down here.
Yeah, that's a lot harder.
Just because I figured I would have more leverage.
No.
But I felt my hand like right here, and I was afraid I was going to let that bitch go.
That's why when I do it, I grab the whole clutch. I mean the whole front brake.
All right.
Just twist with my thumb.
All right, that's good shit. Let's make sure I didn't fuck up my tire. Nah, it just looks a little black. That's cool though, bro. Hey, good looking out.
Clean your tires.
Yeah, I cleaned it up a little bit.
That's why we got new tires, right?
Yeah. Should I try it without the wall?
Sure. What?
Try it without the wall?
No.
No? Not yet?
No, not yet.
Keep trying it with the wall a few times.
Keep trying it with the wall until you just until it's natural. Because that's how I did it. I did it with the wall and wall, or
yeah.
not backed up into someone and on their tire.
Yeah, I've heard of that. Let's try this one more time.
No glove.
No, you sure?
No glove.
All right, no glove. All right. That feels fucking awesome, dude. Hell yes.
I see why I always do it, right?
Yes. I love it.
I see why I always do it. It feels so good to do a burnout.
Yeah.
But it's so expensive.
All right, so let's recap for the folks watching. So, first few times, do it up against the wall. You stand up. However, both feet, I just found this out, both feet firmly planted on the ground. Because if not, it's going to become really hard to fucking center the bike between your legs. Because that's how you're going to eventually control it. Handful of clutch, handful of brake, roll throttle, and let off the clutch slowly. And you're going to feel, first you're going to feel it dip down in the front. And then you're going to feel it kind of move side to side as that tire begins to spin. And eventually something a catch, and you're going to feel that thing fucking go. And that is how you do a proper burnout. Good shit.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. Right safe.